What is going on YouTube? As you guys can see, we are in the mansion right now in Hollywood Hills. I'm gonna take you guys outside real quick and show the view. Before we get into this video, the crazy part is that I was just at school and now we're chilling in a multi-million-dollar mansion in Hollywood Hills. And hold on, let me show you guys my car. I also bought my dream car at 18 and we're just chilling right now in this huge house. This thing is like 3 stories tall. Let me take you guys to the whip. And yes, this is actually my car. It's not a rental, not mommy's money, not daddy's money, but actually Callie the kid's money. So, boom, take you guys outside. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Boom, look at that, guys. This is actually insane. So make sure you watch all the way through this video. This is definitely one of my most exciting vlogs that I have dropped yet. Look at that beautiful car, beautiful house, beautiful view all behind me. Guys, this is what hard work looks like. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. And as you can see, we are on the way to school, but today we will unfortunately not be taking the Hellcat because we will be actually driving this to LA a little bit later. But as you can see, last night we got this bad boy nice and clean, wheels clean, and we got a little bit of, look at that frost. Wow. Okay, it's like 35 degrees outside. This car is insanely loud, but today we will be taking the Mercedes. As you can see on the plate, really rich. Today I will be vlogging at school for you guys. I will be showing you guys the day in the life as a 6-figure brand owner. If you guys don't know, my clothing brand already is called Grail Locker. So without further ado, let's go start the Mercedes up because we're actually taking the Mercedes to school, not the Hellcat. So we'll be driving the Hellcat later, so make sure you guys to stay tuned and watch all the way through if you guys want to see this bad boy in action. But without further ado, I'll catch you guys in the front. Okay, as you guys can see, this is the car that we will be taking to school. Last night I cleaned this car and oh my gosh, look at the frost, bro. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, it literally sounded like the door just fell off. Holy crap. Okay, backpack in the car. Now let's see if this bad boy starts up. You can't even see. Oh, that's frost, all right. Okay, oh, all right, let's start this bad boy up. Ready? Let's go. Start it right up like a charm. Turn that heat all the way up, heated seats on. But guys, we have a special vlog today because after, like, soon as I get out of school, we're going down to LA because we will be staying in an Airbnb with Jake and Aiden. They are from Miami and they just flew last minute to LA. They're like, hey, you want to get this mansion in like Hollywood Hills? I was like, all right, bet. Boom, that easy. So as soon as I get home from school today, it's a Friday, of course, I will be driving down to LA and we will be staying at the mansion in Hollywood Hills. We will be getting content all weekend and then they'll be flying out on Monday and then I'll just be driving home on Monday. So make sure you guys stay tuned because it's about to be a crazy video. Definitely one of the craziest videos yet because a lot of you guys have been asking me, Callie the Kid, can I please get a day in the life? So guess what? You're getting it. All right, as you guys see right now, we just made Starbucks.
Hello, can I get started with your name?
It's a mobile for Frederick.
Frederick, all right, you can pull forward. We have it.
Thank you. Boom. Bro, we just made it to school, guys. Bro, it's so cold. Here we go for like 7 hours, bro. This bullshit again. What's up, YouTube? As you can see, we're at lunch right now.
Wait, let me record. I want to record.
This is a hot dog or corn dog?
Corn dog.
Corn dog. All right, we're eating a corn dog right now. Got some fries. Got some ketchup. Let me know what y'all rate this on a scale of 1 through 10.
How much was this? What is this? An Airbnb?
Yes, dude.
Yeah. How much was this?
All right, what's up, guys? Right now we're going to 5th period. We're about to go to English. Should I drop out, chat? Y'all let me know. Should I drop out? I really want to drop out. All right, but yeah, super excited for this weekend. I'll catch you guys once we get outside of school, bro. I just woke up from my nap. You know, I was napping in class because we weren't doing anything, but you know, now it's time to get things rocking, get things rolling. We're outside of school now. It's currently the weekend. We are not coming to school on Monday. Now it's finally weekends. We finally free. We're about to go turn up this weekend, so make sure you guys.
What you finna do on the weekend?
Hey, no, we can't spoil it. I don't know yet, but
no spoilers,
just know we about to get some W content for you guys. We're about to put in that work, so I'll catch you guys once I get home and I'm showered and I'm clean.
Before we cut it, check out the Benzo. Little Benz?
Alright, yeah, this is the car that I brought to school today.
Damn.
V8 Mercedes. I can't wait to get my like downpipes. I need to put my downpipes on here because right now it's not even that loud. It's kind of loud a little bit. Huh?
This nigga gonna be home all weekend, bro.
Okay, bet. We'll see. But yeah, I'll catch you guys once I get home. We're about to take this beautiful baby, and then we're about to go switch this out for the Hellcat. So I'll catch you guys once we get there. Okay, so we are back at home. Now it is time to start the Hellcat. this 1,000 horsepower, catless, fully straight pipe, flame speeding Hellcat red eye. So without further ado, let's go ahead, grab the key right here. All right, guys. Bro, this car is so loud. Watch this. Double click that twice. 3, 2, 1. All right, what's going on, guys? As you can see, we just made it. Who do we have right here? Introduce yourself.
My name's Jake. I'm 19 years old.
And what do you do? What do you do?
I run a clothing brand.
Yes, sir. What is it called?
It's called Messy.
And what else
Right
do you do,
here.
buddy? What else do you do? Look at that shit tatted. Show you.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I teach other people how to run their clothing brands as well.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
What has been like the most, like, what client has made the most from your little program? Like,
My client Aiden
Yeah.
joined 2 months ago.
Mhm.
He hit his first 10K month, but I have one client who hit his first 20K month within 4 months of joining the program.
Okay.
So what we do, I mean, it's all a simple system running a clothing brand. The kid knows.
Yes, sir.
You just gotta put in the work and do it.
Look at that, guys. Look at that.
And you can get a Hellcat like Cowie the Kid.
Oh my
and
gosh,
a
bro.
McLaren before August
Yes, sir.
31st.
Bro's about to get a McLaren. McCleasy, he got McLaren on him.
Yeah.
But look at that. We got the Hellcat parked up. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, guys. It was a hassle getting up here because, like, you know, my car is fat. Like, this is not a canyon car. This is not like a car meant for the hills. So my car is really, really fat. But, bro, my car can't even fit in the garage, guys. Like, see, it's backed up all the way. Here's the garage right here. And then it comes down and it's literally, it might fit, but with like 1 inch left. But yeah, we brought the cat up here. Guys, I just got out of school at 1:26 and it is currently, what time is it right now, guys? And it's 4:54 and I'm chilling in an Airbnb in the Hollywood Hills, guys. So that's his motivation for you guys. Just keep working, keep grinding, whatever you got going on, just keep going at that. And yeah. Oh yeah, let me give you guys your, hold on, it's on the other side.
Got you a little gift as well.
Some
So
messy
is
shorts.
this white or is this wrapped?
What, the hood?
Yeah.
Nah, the hood, that's factory. That's like a $5,000 option.
Really?
Yeah, bro, this thing is specced out, bro.
Tough. That shit is hard.
All right, so I just brought some t-shirts. So for the sweatsuits that I have, they're sold out, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah. Aiden's
Like-
gonna cringe.
Bro, I think I told him.
Yo, I actually appreciate
All right, so we have some
that.
t-shirts right there, and
Y'all gonna put the shit on right now.
necklaces. Bro, this pendant costs like $25 to make in like 4 months. So
Dead ass.
appreciate it, please.
Yo.
And then,
So much, Cowie the Kid. Yo, I'm actually-
thank you so much, Kai. Bro, you sound like a robot, bro. Bro, got that Grail Locker on. Hey, you guys go shop. GrailLocker.us, bro. Go shop. Look at this, bro. This is the type of struggles that I want to have in life. Like, go yard bag full of my inventory. Look at this kid on the call. Really? So we are going downstairs right now. Look at that. Bro, this room that he has is actually insane, bro. Look at this. Look at the bathtub right here. Holy crap. This is like a shower. This is like a sauna. Oh my gosh, that's a wall. This is a mirror. Look at that fit though. CPFM forces, camo pants, and then chrome hearts on the hoodie. And then Grail Locker on the necklace right there. Yeah, this is a sauna, shower right here. So, meshy shorts.
Pete,
Yeah.
Messy shop shorts,
So we got the black one right here, and then we have.
black snakeskin, pink
Okay,
camo.
these are tough. I'm gonna put on the fit with these ASAP, bro. I'm gonna use you for content, and then he gonna use me for content.
Yeah.
And then, guys, hold on. Let's just put this into perspective right now. Look how big. How much do you think this house costs? Like, realistically,
We looked it up. It's like
how much is it?
25K a month to rent. 5K square feet. The whole lot is like 7K.
God damn, 25K a month to rent. So that means it's gonna be like 15 mil to buy, like 15, 20.
Yeah, I think
Okay. And then is that a bathroom down here? Or no? Is that like closet? I think it's a closet, yeah.
I don't even know. The bathroom is behind the shower.
That boy on the couch though.
Yeah.
Fuck it. Hey, he's still in Malibu. I mean, fucking Malibu, Hollywood Hills though. All right, but yeah, I'm gonna go put these on the bed and then show him, and then you go do whatever you're about to do. I'm about to go with my girl.
You gotta go on a grocery run.
Yeah, let's do it. I'm gonna tell her. Wait, do we need to wait on Aiden or no?
I'll ask.
Yeah, after he get off the call, I ask him. All right, guys, we're gonna go upstairs right now. Oh, almost ate shit. Guys, almost ate shit.
1,500 to 2,000. Okay.
Put in that work.
Because I don't want to push you on any type of payment plan.
All right, come on, guys.
Anything like that.
Oh my gosh, I almost ate shit. Bro, I almost fell. Bro, he's taking a picture of my car. Why is he taking a picture of my car? Is that security? Look at that. He's taking a picture of my car, guys. Is that security? What is he doing? Who is that? What the fuck? What the? Say hello to the vlog. Say hi, vlog.
Hi, vlog.
So here are the shorts that he gave me right here from his brand, Messi, as you can see. Pink camo, and then the black snakeskin ones as well. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Then we got all my necklaces. Bro, I just brought a whole bunch of stuff. I literally just went in my room and my like packing where I package up my orders. Just grabbed everything. But guys, look at that view, bro. That's actually crazy. Wow, this is amazing, guys. Just know the content is about to be crazy. All right, as you guys see right now, we're at Target, grabbing a few things, grabbing some water, grabbing some, I got like a, what is it, naked drink, banana smoothie, and probably get some like snacks. You know, this is essential stuff, right? But that's pretty much why we came here. Grab some water, snacks, drinks, all that good stuff, right? Look at this, bro. This kid drinks 3 Red Bulls a day, bro. He is not locked in, bro.
We'll hop on that call in 40 minutes and then we'll go from there.
You want any chips?
Like those? Yeah.
Low key those, but
Hot fries? Hot fries are good.
I don't want my ass to get on fire.
That's true.
I'm looking kind of out the video. What snacks do you guys get at the store? I don't know what I want. But I'm gonna go to a different aisle. Come on. We got some nuts over here. Pause. Left. Hold on. Is this cereal? Yeah, this is like cereal and stuff. Let's go over here. Oh yeah, we got Oreos and stuff over here. Boom. Easy. Let's do it.
Bars.
That's like a protein bar. It's hard to think right now because I'm full. And I still got my Uber Tuba in there too, so. Or,
Did you put that in the freezer?
yeah, I'll put it in the freezer, yeah.
Wait, let's go down.
Alright. I'll put it in the freezer. Oh my gosh. Fruit snacks.
Fruit snacks are like good.
Should we do it?
Yeah.
Roach's 22 pack. This is so bad, I think. Alright, come on guys, we're gonna throw it in the cart. Where's the cart holder at? Right here, yep. Alright, I came with the snacks.
Hell yeah.
There we go.
Got me.
Water.
That is not, guys, that is not snacks, bro. You have to eat like 10 of those to get full. Like 15 of them.
Water.
Hey, should we get is there a cart? Should we get a cart? Where's the front of the store at? Over here. Let's go. You like those?
Should we get
with
like
the heart?
Those are kisses.
Oh,
Should we get like
what?
are we gonna eat breakfast every day? Like out? Should we get like cereal or bagels?
I think we'll just figure it out. They can figure it. They're all in the situation out. Yeah. We can just, like, here's a cart right here. Boom. Guys, money does not buy smartness. Good morning, YouTube. As you guys can see, it is currently the next morning, and look at that view of LA behind me, guys. Look at that. That is absolutely insane, guys. It's so crazy how, like, I literally went from being in a high school class to being in this the next day. Wow. Look at that, bro. This is amazing. But I'll catch you guys. But I'll do a full tour in the next video. I don't want to sit here and yap your heads off. Wow, this lighting, oh my gosh, bro. I'm actually feeling myself right now. This is like amazing, bro. Super motivational. Look at that. Right now we're about to edit, and then also we're gonna do a Discord call today, so make sure you join the Discord. We're giving out free game because, as you can see, this chain is from my brand, Grout Locker. T-shirt from my brand, Grout Locker. So go shop. And yeah, editing YouTube video. I'm gonna launch a new product today, a new necklace. Not necklace, but a biker chain. And then yeah, just doing that stuff right there. I'm gonna get that knocked out. And I'm not using my camera because my SD card is broken for some reason. I don't know, so I can't use the SD card. But let's go ahead and show you guys the car. This door is a little bit tricky to open. This is actually motivational. I much rather have this than like having an apartment in like, let's say downtown LA or somewhere like that, because you can literally wake up. Wow. You can just wake up, get in your car, go get some Starbucks. Look how quiet it is. But granted, of course, to live here, it costs like, I'll probably say these houses are like 15, 20 million. I might just take like a jog or something like around the neighborhood. But granted, it costs so much to live here. But this is the end goal for sure. Look at that graffiti on the wall too. But we have the Hellcat Red Eye parked up. And funny thing is that we can't even close the garage, guys. This thing has to stay open overnight because the car is too big. So like I can't even close the garage all the way. But yeah, that's his I guess first world problems, if you want to call it that. But look at this view here. Look at that. Behind the car, you can see the whole entire LA. This is the end goal, guys. This is where you want to be at in life. This is the goal right here. Wake up, super peaceful, amazing views, motivational. Well, you're gonna get used to it eventually, but this is so peaceful to be able to just walk in the middle of the street. No cars coming down, no people yelling, no loud neighbors, no parties, no traffic, no homeless people like tweaking like in front of your apartment. Like, you don't have to worry about any of that. Wow, look at that lighting, bro. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. I appreciate you guys for watching all the way through. I will be vlogging my whole entire trip. I just ordered a new SD card off Best Buy, so it should be in here in like 2 hours or so. It's 7 in the morning right now, so not even open right now. But I just ordered a new SD card so I can get back on my camera, because right now I'm on my iPhone. I'm pretty sure you don't recognize the difference, but I know the audio sounds a little bit worse. But yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Banger videos are coming to the channel, guys. And yeah, I just want to say, like, if you guys truly work, if you guys put all your effort into something, it's possible. All these goals that you guys have, it's possible. Everything is possible. Just work. I'm in 18. I'm still in high school right now. I'm 18. Look at this. We are currently, and I'm not gonna say where. I'm not gonna leak the Addy, but we're somewhere in LA. And we had the Hellcat Red Eye parked up. That car's $100,000. We have all the homies. They literally just booked the last minute trip here. Like, they're like, hey, Thursday. They're like, hey, no, it was actually Wednesday. Hey, you wanna book an Airbnb? We flying in LA. We gonna land like Friday and we gonna fly out Monday. I was like, all right, bet. So boom, we just booked it. They pulled up and I'm here. So yeah, that's like the power of having money. You just have a whole bunch of freedom, because if you guys didn't have like a whole bunch of money, if you were working a job, you wouldn't be able to just spontaneously get up and just book a last minute trip to somewhere. Like, that's not possible. But because we worked, I worked, we all put in that work, it's possible to do these things. Like, this is all possible. I want every single viewer in this video to apply themselves, because this lifestyle is possible. You can do it. But make sure you go join my Discord, go shop my brand, which is at Grail Locker. I don't want to sit here and just talk your heads off. I'll catch you guys in the next video, which will probably be a whole entire house tour, or it will probably be a vlog or something like that, or a motivational video. So whichever one it is, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, by the way. Bye.